Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing a cardboard room with the brave policeman. In this video, it's all about building with boxes and being a safe, smart helper. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and smart stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Let me tell you about our cardboard room idea. A cardboard room is like a fort made from big boxes. It can be a tiny hideout or a cozy play space. The brave policeman says, good builders plan first. So we think, what does a room need? A door to go in and out. A window to peek and wave. A roof so it feels snug. Easy, right? Here's our first lesson. Safety helpers are the best builders. We always build with a grown-up nearby. We keep the floor clean so we don't trip. We use tape, not sharp tools. And we put our boxes in a safe spot, not by stairs or doors that people need. The brave policeman loves safe choices. Now a second lesson. Builders use shapes. Squares make walls. Rectangles make doors. Circles can be porthole windows. Triangles make roofs extra strong. When you look at buildings, can you spot those shapes? You're a shape detective. Okay, mini story time. Guess what happens when our brave policeman visits the cardboard room? He hears a tiny meow. Uh-oh, a pretend kitten is lost inside the maze of boxes. You won't believe what he does. He taps his hat and says, "Team, let's make a plan." He listens, looks, and points. We need a clear path. We pretend to roll our boxes a little, and we make simple arrow signs. The kitten follows the arrows out, tippy paws, right into safe arms. What do you think the brave policeman would say next? Maybe, "Great teamwork," or "Let's give the kitten a snack." If you think that's super brave and super cute, give this video a big like. Back to building and learning. Fun fact time. Fun fact 1. Cardboard has a wavy middle called corrugation. Those little waves make it strong, but still light. That's why big boxes can hold heavy stuff and still be easy to carry. Fun fact 2. Cardboard comes from trees and can be recycled again and again, up to many times. When you reuse a box for a room, you're being a planet helper. But that's not all. The brave policeman teaches a secret builder trick. Stop, look, listen. We stop to think. We look for anything in the way, and we listen to each other's ideas. That's how teams work. One kid says, "Let's make a mailbox." Another says, "Let's make a secret code." The brave policeman smiles and says, "Yes, and let's try both." When we say yes and, our ideas grow bigger. Here's a number challenge. How many sides does your door shape have? 4. How many windows do you want? 2, 3, even 6? You choose. Count as you imagine them. 1, 2, 3. Builders love counting. And here's a pretend builder test. If your cardboard room gets wobbly, what shape helps make it steady? Triangles. Triangles are super strong. They're like little heroes hiding in the corners. Want another cool tip? Make a simple map. A map is a picture of your room from the top. Draw where the door goes, where the window goes, and where your reading spot is. The brave policeman uses maps to find places fast. You can too. It's like treasure hunting, but the treasure is your comfy chair. Safety reminder from our hero. Learn your local emergency number with a grown-up. Keep it near your play space. And always ask before taping tape, moving big boxes, or climbing. Safe play is smart play. Oh, and voices. In a cardboard room, we use kind voices. Use a calm inside voice so everyone can hear the plan. The brave policeman uses clear words. Please help. Thank you. I need space. Great job. We can use them too. And keep drawing and coloring with me because the final image will surprise you. Our brave policeman stands strong by the cardboard room, and you can almost hear him say, "Teamwork makes it strong." I love when a picture tells a story, don't you? Last fun fact. Did you know some real houses use cardboard in creative ways to test designs? Engineers try shapes to see what works best. That means your box room is practice for big ideas. Wow, you did amazing! Today we drew a cardboard room with a brave policeman and learned 3 big lessons: plan with shapes, build safely with a grown-up, and use teamwork and kind words. And if you love smart stories and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on Let's Draw and Learn. See you next time, friends! Bye!